You can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly.
Они отрубили, Same output.
Same output. Everyone agrees to it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Now,
Drinking milk 3 times.
drinking milk for 3 times. Everyone agrees to it? Or any doubts to anyone?
Yes, sir. I agree.
Agree? If I'm going to write int a, then a equals to 5, a equals to 6, a equals to 7. And now if I will print this a for 3 times, it will give 7 for 3 times, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the output? What is the output? Tell me.
Animal is eating. I hope.
Is eating.
Dog is eating. Animal is eating.
Why?
Dog is eating.
Why you think so?
Uh,
I think sir, no output.
baby dog has no overriding the method. So each method of parent class get invoked.
So because it's a baby dog, the parent class would dog.
Okay.
Dog is eating.
Yes. So answer should be dog is eating. Any doubts to anyone? If you have, then I will explain.
Yes, sir. Can you explain?
Yes.
Sir, explain this program.
What is the concept of inheritance? Child class is going to acquire all the properties of its father and can have its own property. This is the simple stated concept of inheritance, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now here I am going to create the object of baby dog, and if I'm going to call the eat method, and this baby dog is inheriting the dog. So all the properties of dog is going to the part of baby dog,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes.
this dog is having eat method. So this eat method is going to be the part of baby dog.
Yes.
So that is why we are getting dog is eating.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
No. Yes, sir. Understand.
If you all want to write this program, then please write it. Because you know this capability that the king. Okay. upcasting. Here I'm going to create the object of baby dog. Okay, now eat method. Baby dog, there is no eat method. Okay, so it will give compile time error. But we forgot to use the concept of inheritance as well. That is why I have written in the comments, baby dog is not overriding the eat method. So eat method of parent class get info. So if you want, you can write this program. You want to write it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is going to be the output now?
Compile time error, sir.
Errors.
Yes, it is compile time error because downcasting is not allowed. Okay, now let's see what is the error that we are getting. That employee cannot be converted to the programmer. In this employee cannot be converted to the programmer. So I can resolve the compile time error by doing typecasting, right? if I'm going to, what was the error? Error was employee cannot be converted to programmer, right? So if I'm going to typecast it into the programmer, then it should be accepted. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So yes, it is accepted now. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, hello.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, I can. What should I save this program in command prompt, sir? Like here, class programmer extends employee, right?
Mm-hmm.
What should give a name of this program?
One second, hold on. Hold on. I'm coming in that. Yeah, tell me. What was your question? Sorry.
So here, the main method is written in the class programmer extends employee, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what should I save this program in Notepad? I mean, while for compiling the program.
So it means you have not done any of the assignment.
I done, but I write the main method in separate class. Here, yeah, there is no right.
Okay. Let's copy the whole program. Okay.
Sir, did you?
Mm-hmm. I'm showing you. Okay, so this is the fresh notepad. Okay. And here I have pasted the program. And you're saying to by which name it should be saved, right? This is your question. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So
So here,
in our
file name.
what should the file name, right? So
Right.
in our first day, we have read that if I'm going to make any class as public, then it is mandatory to keep the file name same as class name. If I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
going to hold on, if I am not going to make any class as public, then I am independent to give the class name as to give the file name either employee, either program, or either anything. If I'm going to keep the file name as employee, no issue. I can do that. Employee.java. So it get by Seva employee.java. So if I'm going to write Java C employee.java, that is accepted. Right? I can also make programmer, but once I'm going to make the class name as public, then it is mandatory that I have to give the file name as employee only. I cannot give anything other than employee. If I will try to do that, then it will give error, compile time error. I hope this is clear to you now.
Yes, sir.
This is what we have discussed in the first class only. But anyway, no problem. So any doubt in downcasting that we're reading, that we can remove the compile time error, but we cannot remove the runtime error. It will start giving class exception. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. So this is how we have completed the runtime polymorphism from theory. So any doubt to anyone in runtime polymorphism, either from theory perspective or programming perspective?
No, sir.
So our next topic is abstraction. So Swathi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm asking for Swati. Okay, I think she is not there. Okay. So what is abstraction? Anyone? What is abstraction?
Abstraction is a keyword which is used with the class and methods. If we use with the
First,
class name,
hold on.
Sir,
Abstraction is not a keyword. Abstract is a keyword.
sir, abstraction is to hide the implementation part of a method, and it also allows a concrete method like it will also allow the method with
sir,
body and also the method with does not contain any body.
if we want to hide internal implementation and show set of services, then we should go with abstraction.
Hello,
If I want to, yes.
sir. Abstraction is a data hiding. Like a one vehicle, like a four-wheeler vehicle, user can see only the like gear and uh, handles, not see the what is the implementation of engine. Abstraction can be achieved by two way. First one is by abstract class, and second one is by interface. In abstract class, we can achieve 0 to 100%, and if we are use the in interface, then we can achieve the 100% abstraction.
Good. So let's go to one by one every point. So first point is clear to all. First and second point is first. So yes, sorry. First point is clear to all. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Hello.
No. And why it has been said as to abstract class we can achieve abstraction up to level 100%, because in abstract class we can have the abstract method as well as non-abstract method. That is why it is said as we can achieve abstraction by the help of abstract class from 0 to 100%. But from interface, it is mandatory to have all the method as abstract only. We cannot have non-abstract method inside interface. That is why it is said as we can achieve 100% abstraction from interface. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So,
Now, yeah, tell me. Any doubt?
no, sir.
No.
Sir, I
Now,
have
the
one
third
doubt.
point is, yeah, tell me.
Sir, now in Java 8 onwards, in interface there is
Yes,
the
we can
static
have
method.
default, static method and default method as well. That we will discuss when we will get interface. Okay. If someone is going to ask you the logic behind it, then we can give this kind of justification. Okay. Now, in abstract class, in abstract class, it is what is abstract class? A class which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as abstract class in Java, and it can have abstract and non-abstract methods. So this point is also clear to all. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And non-abstract method is one which have method body, right? And abstract class needs to be extended and its method needs to be implemented. I think this point is also clear to all.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The next point is an abstract class cannot be instantiated, means we cannot create the object of abstract class. This, you all know about this point as well.
Yes. Yes. No,
Yes.
sir.
This is not allowed by Java.
Yes.
Okay. An abstract class must be declared with the abstract keyword. We all are aware of it. But
Yes.
Yes, sir.
we can have, although we cannot create the object of abstract class, but we can have constructor and static method inside the abstract class. This is the important point. Why we need constructor inside the abstract class? Because so that we can initialize the instance variable to the default value. That is why constructor is needed inside the abstract class. But it is the common confusion. It is the confusion that everywhere we used to read that we cannot create the object of abstract class. So once we read the statement, so what is imagination that we have got? Okay, object creation. When we're going to create the object, then default constructor is being called. So if anyone asks you that can we have constructor inside the abstract class, then our mind starts thinking like we cannot create the object, and by creating it calls the default constructor, so it will so constructor should not be allowed. This is how we think, but no, constructor is allowed in the abstract class. And why constructor is allowed in the abstract class? So that we can provide the default value to the instance variable, and we can also have a static method as well inside the abstract class. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
And it can also have a final method which will force the subclass not to change the body of the method. This couple of statement is important from an interview perspective if someone wants to twist, right? Can we have final method inside the abstract class? So our mind start thinking like a abstract class, abstract method is there, and that abstract method needs to be extended, and it needs to be inherited, right? So for its implementation, and if I'm going to make that method as final, then how it could be done, right? But but we have to also think that in abstract class we can have non-abstract method as well, and that non-abstract method can be declared as final, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So
Can you repeat this line?
yes, in abstract class we can have abstract method and non-abstract method. We cannot make a abstract method as final because that needs to be implemented in the child class. But the method which is non-abstract, that method can be declared as final or not. We can declare
Yes.
yes. So if someone is going to ask, can we have final method inside the abstract class? So yes, we can have the final method inside the abstract class. Got it? So this couple of point is important. That is what I was saying. So this 2 point is clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the syntax for the abstract class? This is the syntax. A method which is declared as abstract and does not have any implementation is an abstract method. I think this point is also clear to all. Any doubt? Any doubt in this 3 point? I don't think so.
No, sir.
No. Now, if there is abstract method in the class, if we are going to make any method as an abstract inside the class, then it is mandatory to make that class also as abstract. Got it? Makes sense? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, the last point is if we are extending an abstract class that has an abstract method, we must either provide the implementation of the method or make the class abstract. It means if I'm going to extend of all the abstract method, other if I'm not going to extend the abstract method, then I can make the class abstract. Got it? Declared as abstract. That is what it is written over here. If we are extending the abstract class, then that has an abstract method. We must either provide the implementation of the method or make the class abstract. So this point is also important. So you can note this point and this couple of points as well. These two. Okay. Any doubt?
Sir, can you please explain the last point of this?
So you have written this point as well.
Yes, sir.
Now written.
Yeah, it's done, sir.
Okay, so any doubt in any of the point? If not, then we can move to programming now. Can we move?
Sir, last one point.
Sorry, what is that?
Sir, last one.
Okay, you are right. Let me know once done. Then we will move to the programming section.
Yes, sir. Move.
It's done, right?
Yes.
So what should be the output?
Run
What
fast.
should be the output in this case? Run fast.
Run
My
fast.
program will is okay. So here we have a abstract class, right? And this abstract class we have abstract method, and we have extended this abstract class by Tiger to provide the implementation of this abstract method, right? And here my program will start from the main method, and here as I have created the object of Tiger, here we are doing upcasting, right? This is upcasting, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, upcasting.
This is upcasting, and here as I have created the object of Tiger class, so now if I'm going to call the run method, so run method of Tiger class will get invoked, so we will get the output run fast. Everyone agrees to it?
Yes, sir. And
Yes.
This is the simple program. Now similarly, this is the same program. Here I am going to, this is the abstract class bank, and here we have got the abstract method, right? And this now this SVI class extends the bank class, bank abstract class, and here provide the implementation. Similarly, PNB also provide the implementation. And now here I have got the main method, and here I am going to create the object of SBI now. So the output will be rate of interest is 7. And similarly, we have created the object of PNB, so the output will be rate of interest is 8. Agree?
yes, sir. Agree.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what should be the output now?
Here it is bike, then running at 50 kilometer per hour and gear change.
Everyone agrees to it,
Yes, sir.
or any doubt to anyone?
Yes.
Any doubt to anyone?
No.
I'm sure. Or you want, if anyone wants explanation, let me know. Why I'm getting here is bike? Anyone can tell me why here is bike is getting first as an output?
Because
In abstract class, uh, create we can create constructor like as well.
No.
Because in a Honda class, Honda is a extend bike class. In bike class, create a constructor, but in the Honda class, automatically execute the constructor by supercompiler. Compiler automatically execute.
No. See what happened. Yesterday we have read this line. Super constructor is added in each class constructor automatically by compiler if there is no super. This line we have read. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, understand now.
So my program starts from the main method. So here I have created the object of Honda class, right?
The
So
class.
here what will happen? Honda constructor will get created. Default constructor get created by the compiler itself.
Yes, yes. Then
And super constructor is added by the compiler. Can you go on mute? Super constructor is also added by the compiler by itself if there is no super.
yes,
So now, so by the writing this line, that is bike obj equals to new Honda, what happened? This this portion of code generated by the compiler itself. Just because of this code, what happened? This super constructor invoked the band class constructor. This is bike constructor. So we will get the output. Here it is bike, and then we have called the run method. So run method of Honda class will get executed. So we will get running at 50 kilometer. Now change gear method. So as we know, this Honda class is extending bike class. So this Honda class will have all the properties of bike class within itself. So it will print change gear change. I hope this is clear to all now.
yes, sir. Yes, clear.
So this is so see if interviewer wants to twist, then he can mix couple of concept, 2 or 3 concept in a program to check how deep you can think. And this point we have read, right? And so here I have intermixed 3 concepts: the concept of abstraction, the concept of superconstructor, and the concept of inheritance, right? Just mixing 3 concepts, we have created this program, right?
Yes, sir. Understand.
So you can write this program. Okay, so you can also provide the explanation, otherwise you will get confused with this as an output. So write this program and we can take a break for half an hour. So we will meet again at 10:20. And meanwhile you can write and then you can also take a break. Okay, then we will resume from next program. Okay, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.